We are spending our last full day in Poland on a food tour.
Beer and food.
No one else is having any?
We have a pickle that should go together with this vodka, so if you could grab a piece of it, don't be worried.
After them.
Okay.
Ready?
That's why we have a pickle.
We just tried a whole bunch of traditional Polish food. We started off with a borscht, which is a beetroot soup.
Made out of grated beetroots. Most traditionally, how borscht should be prepared is the grated beetroots mixed with dry white wine should be put aside for a few days.
We had pierogi ruskie, and pierogi w mięso, I think. Anyway, so it was two kinds of pierogis, one with potatoes and cream, which is the ruskie, and the other kind of pierogi had meat.
What we also received in here on those two plates, these are pierogi, yeah. We have two different variations.
And then we finished off with bigos. One thing that we learned is that Polish ruskie doesn't actually mean Russian dumplings. Ruskie is, what did she say it was? I already forgot. And they're really, really good. They're greasy and sticky, but they're excellent. One is pączek and more than one is pączki. Totally worth it. We learned that there's a day called Fat Thursday where traditionally you eat nothing but donuts the entire day, and it's supposed to be like the feast before Lent. Otherwise, if you don't have at least one donut on that day, you have bad luck for the rest of the year. Why weren't we here for that? We lucked out because we were in a group filled with people from different parts of the world who were born somewhere other than where they were living. We liked everybody so much that we exchanged like contact details and Facebook accounts. We even stayed for a beer with everybody else afterwards.
People were wonderful, really enjoyed the company. Out of all the trips we've had, all the tours, this is the only one we actually really walked away with the names of people.
Yeah.
We're safe and sound. You got me waiting. I'm on fire. You got me waiting. My desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving. Do the dirty snap.
Now it's gone.
It's really good. Having a beer tasting.
Can we throw these against the wall now?
This is pineapple cider. It is amazing. We're sad to be leaving Poland. We do have plans for the next country. Here's a hint. Sia Jorget, jo napot, jo estet, kushnum, sivishen, visont latashra.
That wasn't a clue, that was a dictionary.
Is that it? I thought you wanted to say something about the food tour.
Oh yeah, it was great.
Don't forget to subscribe to join us in our travels.
Also, check out our Lucky Dippers podcast.